Unboxing time. Just to let you know, I'm not a blogger. While scrolling, I spotted this electric scooter. At first, I watched other videos before I bought it. Now I will give you a few details about this Eisenwheel Scooter S9 Max. I love the design and the color. This is the only scooter I saw that has a USB charging. About safety, this scooter has dual brakes and dual suspension. They also have signal lights, left and right, as well as a brake light. This scooter has quadruple shock absorbers with a 500 watts powerful motor. Top speed is 35 km/h, long range 35 km. Highly recommend this to all, as it's a good deal and very user friendly. This Eisenwheel S9 Max scooter included a free bag. The charging port is here. One press to turn on the lights, and one press to turn off the lights. Double click for Eco Mode Drive. Double click to change the drive mode. Double click again to Sport Mode. Long press to turn off the power. USB port that you can charge your phone. Just download the app Eisenwheel Android or Apple app. By the way, this Eisenwheel is fully charged already. Now the setup is completely. Let's try it outside.